If you're using both SmartRepricer and InventoryLab with Seller 365, you probably know that they can be integrated so your pricing syncs automatically. But sometimes, even with both tools connected, your prices still don't update. In many cases, new users are confused about where to enter min and max prices and whether those values are actually being passed from InventoryLab to SmartRepricer. It is a small step, but an important one, and once you know where to look, it's easy to fix. Hi sellers, I'm Adinda from the Customer Education team at Recall, and you're watching How to Fix It series. In today's episode, I'll show you how to check your batch setup, confirm your integration, and make sure SmartRepricer is actually syncing your min and max prices the way it's supposed to. But before we go further, I want to remind you that SmartRepricer needs these three things to function properly. First, the min and max prices. This is to set your pricing boundaries. Then, the cost data to calculate ROI and profit-based pricing. And lastly, SmartRepricer also needs a pricing strategy assigned to each listing. If any of those are missing, especially min and max, your prices won't update, even if your integration is active. So let's start by making sure the foundation is set up correctly, beginning with your integration. Start in InventoryLab. Click your name in the top right corner. Select Setting from the drop-down and go to Integrations. Toggle the switch to enable SmartRepricer, confirm the connection, and you're all set. Then log into SmartRepricer. Click Setting from the left menu. Select Integration, then hit Connect under your US Marketplace. This is where you can integrate SmartRepricer with InventoryLab. Make sure both checkboxes Update Cost and Update Min-Max are selected. Click Save to confirm. Once connected, SmartRepricer can pull your listing data automatically. By default, it syncs every 6 hours, but with those toggles on, changes from InventoryLab will flow through more quickly. However, connection alone isn't enough. The sync also depends on how your batch is set up during listing. When setting up your batch in InventoryLab, you'll be asked to choose a min-max preference, and that choice directly affects what gets shared with SmartRepricer. You'll be presented with 3 options. Save to InventoryLab lets you enter min and max prices during listing, but keeps them hidden from Amazon. The values are only shared with integrated tools like SmartRepricer, and they are saved to your MSKUs so you can export them later if needed. Send to Amazon submits your min and max prices to Seller Central when the batch is finalized. This option is great for preventing high price errors or listing suppressions. If you use Amazon built-in Repricer, it will use those values too, and SmartRepricer will sync them automatically. Do Not Capture, on the other hand, hides the min-max field completely. The prices won't be saved, synced, or passed to any repricer, so SmartRepricer won't be able to adjust your pricing. If you choose either Save to InventoryLab or Send to Amazon, just make sure to fill in those fields. Leaving them blank means there's nothing for SmartRepricer to work with. And finally, SmartRepricer won't do anything unless a strategy is assigned to each listing. Make sure each asset has a strategy assigned. To do this manually, go to Listing on your dashboard and click Inventory. In the Strategy column, select the strategy you want to apply. Alternatively, you can set a default strategy from SmartRepricer setting page to automatically apply it to all listings under the specific marketplace. Just make sure you've created your strategy rules first under the Strategy tab. You can build your own or use one of our templates. Note that if you're not syncing min and max prices from InventoryLab, you'll need to manually set the pricing rules when creating your strategy. And that's it. Just confirm your integration, pick the right batch preference, and make sure each listing has a strategy. With those 3 things in place, SmartRepricer can do its job. For more help, check out the SmartRepricer Help Center link below or watch our step-by-step tutorial videos. And if you're still stuck, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.